Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video we will take a look at how you can fix YouTube stops playing after a while problem 2023, YouTube buffering problem solved 2023. So before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now be sure to watch until the very end so that you will not miss a single detail. So how we can solve this problem, what we can do is, first of all, we need to make sure that our YouTube is up to date. So we can go into our Google Store and then we're going to be typing YouTube right here. So we're searching for YouTube and then you can see here that it is not up to date. So we need to make sure that we are updated on this. So you can go right on ahead and click on update right here so that we are updated to the latest YouTube application version. Another thing that we can do is we can force stop the YouTube application as well as clearing the cache within it. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go into our settings right here and we're going to scroll all the way down until we see apps right here. So let's click on apps. And then we're going to be clicking on this search on the top right. And we're going to be typing in YouTube. Now, as you can see here, we can go ahead and force stop the application by clicking on the bottom right here. And then clicking OK. So this would have stopped the application now. And let's go ahead and clear our cache. So we'll be going on storage right here. And then we can go ahead and either click on clear data or clear cache. So let's click on clear data. This would also clear the cache right here. As you can see, everything has now been zeroed out. And there you go. Go right on ahead and try YouTube once again, and this should fix the problem.